One of my favorite things are lupins. Lupin is a perennial, which means it comes back every year. We are very lucky to have these growing in our field. They are absolutely beautiful and they come in all kinds of colors, but in our field, there's pink and purple. So my husband's father planted them around our farm years ago, and our field gets full of these lupins every year, as well as the town next to us gets full of lupins, because lupins, the seeds will definitely travel. So if you want to plant lupins, if you want to have a beautiful, beautiful flower in your beds, just remember they do reproduce very, very quickly, and you will have lupins everywhere. But if you don't mind that, if you have some acreage, or if you're in a field, or you can contain them in your flower garden and just, you know, make sure that they don't go crazy, because they will. They are beautiful. So I'm going to use them today as a cut flower. I'm going to put them in a vase and put them on our table. And look how beautiful. These were cut right out of the field. Nothing fancy, just cut and put in a vase. And that's going to go on the table today to brighten up the house. So if you want something beautiful for your home and they're gorgeous as a cut flower, it's a lupin, right? You have a great day.